If your first-generation Honda CR-V is refusing to turn over, the issue usually boils down to a few aging components. Most CR-Vs from this era are reaching high mileage, where original electrical solder joints finally begin to crack. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact point of failure. Always start by ensuring your battery terminals are clean and tight before listening for the fuel pump's activation hum. The PGMFI main relay is a notorious culprit, often failing when the cabin gets hot due to expanding solder cracks. Check inside your distributor for a fine red dust, which indicates the internal bearings are failing and destroying the sensor. Determining if you're missing fuel or spark is the fastest way to narrow down the search between the pump and distributor. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start conditions on these Hondas are caused by the main relay or the distributor assembly. You can often fix a bad main relay for free by simply reflowing the solder joints with a basic soldering iron. Keep a 10mm socket and a multimeter handy. These are essential for testing the electrical health of your CR-V. Remember, these engines are incredibly simple. Keep your diagnosis logical and you will find the problem. Check those relays and distributors first, and you'll have your CR-V back on the road in no time.